Yo, what's going on? Today's video, I want to try to help you guys out when it comes to getting clean lines whenever you're using masking tape. And masking tape is always annoying, mainly because when you use it, a lot of paint may bleed over and you're having to redo that line again to make sure you get a straight line. But you know, most times it fails regardless of what tape you use, the blue one or even the frog tape. Sometimes they just don't work at all. But the trick is using acrylic polymer matte medium to paint over the place you painted on. That way it seals in the gaps and imperfections when it comes to the tape sticking to the surface. So that way you're not having the paint bleed into those areas because the matte medium has already filled those areas up. And then you want to paint over the dried matte medium that you just painted over the tape. And when you take off the tape, you'll see extremely clean lines. That is the way to get sharp, crispy, clean lines whenever you're using painter's tape in your work. So try it out and let me know what you think. Peace.